If your engine is misfiring, shaking at idle, or suddenly feels weak under acceleration, don't rush to blame the fuel pump, spark plugs, or injectors just yet. There's a small component, cheap compared to most engine parts, that can silently turn a smooth-running engine into a nightmare: the ignition coil. And here's the scary part. A bad ignition coil can mimic dozens of other problems. Many drivers replace parts blindly, wasting money, when a simple step-by-step diagnosis could have revealed the real issue in minutes. Today, I'll show you exactly how to diagnose a bad ignition coil, correctly, safely, and without guessing. By the end, you'll know the exact symptoms of a failing coil, how to test it with and without special tools, how to identify coil pack versus coil on plug failures, how to avoid damaging your catalytic converter, and when replacing it is truly necessary. Before we get started, kindly subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. What an ignition coil actually does and why it fails. Before we diagnose, you need to understand what you're testing. Your ignition coil converts 12 volts from your battery into 20,000 to 40,000 volts. That high voltage jumps the spark plug gap and ignites the air-fuel mixture. No spark equals no combustion. Weak spark equals incomplete combustion. Inconsistent spark equals misfire. Modern vehicles usually use coil-on-plug systems, one coil per cylinder, or coil packs serving multiple cylinders. Older vehicles use distributors, but most modern engines rely on individual coils. Over time, coils fail due to heat cycling, internal insulation breakdown, oil contamination from valve cover leaks, moisture intrusion, worn spark plugs overloading the coil, and high resistance in secondary ignition system. Now let's diagnose it properly. Step 1. Identify the symptoms. A bad ignition coil typically shows these symptoms. 1. Engine misfire. The most common sign. You'll feel rough idle, shaking, hesitation under load, and jerking during acceleration. The misfire may come and go at first. 2. Check engine light. You may see P0300, random misfire, or P031 through P0308, cylinder-specific misfires. These codes don't automatically mean bad coil, but they narrow your focus. 3. Poor acceleration. A weak coil cannot ignite under load. The car feels sluggish, especially uphill. 4. Reduced fuel economy. Unburned fuel lowers efficiency. 5. Backfiring. Fuel entering the exhaust system may ignite there. 6. Hard starting, especially cold. One misfire does not mean the coil is bad. Diagnosis is about confirmation, not guessing. If you're enjoying the video so far, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Now let's continue. Step 2. Scan for trouble codes. Use an OBD2 scanner. If you get P0303, cylinder 3 misfire, P0353, ignition coil primary secondary circuit cylinder 3, that's powerful information. If it's cylinder specific, you likely have a bad coil, a bad spark plug, wiring issue, fuel injector issue, or compression problem. We now isolate. Step 3. Perform the coil swap test, most effective method for coil-on-plug systems. Let's say you have P0303, cylinder 3 misfire. Here's what you do. Remove coil from cylinder 3, swap it with cylinder 1, clear codes, drive the vehicle. If the code changes from P0303 to P0301, the coil is bad. If the code stays at P0303, the problem is not the coil. That simple test eliminates guessing. Why this works? A faulty coil will carry the misfire with it to the new cylinder. No multimeter required. Step 4. Visual inspection. Often overlooked. Before replacing anything, inspect cracks in the coil housing, burn marks, melted plastic, oil contamination inside spark plug well, corrosion at connector terminals, loose connectors. If oil is inside the spark plug tube, you likely have a valve cover leak damaging the coil. Replacing the coil without fixing the leak equals repeat failure. Step 5. Check the spark plug. This is critical. A worn spark plug increases resistance. The coil has to work harder, overheating internal windings. Pull the plug from the misfiring cylinder. Look for excessive gap, carbon fouling, oil fouling, cracked porcelain, burned electrode. If spark plugs are old, replace them first before condemning the coils. Many coil failures are caused by neglected plugs. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now let's continue. Step 6. Use a multimeter, advanced diagnosis. If you want a deeper test, measure coil resistance. Warning, always check manufacturer's specifications. Testing primary resistance. Set multimeter to ohms. Probe the primary terminals. Typical range, 0.4 to 2 ohms. If reading is infinite equals open circuit, or 0 equals short circuit, that coil is bad. Testing secondary resistance, probe between positive terminal and spark output. Typical range, 6,000 to 15,000 ohms. Again, confirm specs. However, modern coils may not always show clear resistance failure, even if defective. That's why swap testing is superior. Step 7. Use a spark tester. A spark tester gives visual confirmation. Steps. 1. Disconnect coil. 2. Attach spark tester. 3. Crank engine. You should see bright blue spark. Weak orange spark or no spark equals problem. Never test by grounding spark plug against engine by hand. That's dangerous and inaccurate. Step 8. Check power and ground. Sometimes the coil isn't bad. The problem is no power supply, no ground signal, broken wiring, or faulty ECM trigger. With key on, one wire should have battery voltage. If no power, check fuses, relay, wiring harness. If power exists but no spark, the ECM trigger wire may be faulty. At this point, wiring diagrams help. Step 9. Consider engine load conditions. Coils often fail under load first. Symptoms: fine at idle, misfire during acceleration, worse uphill. This happens because higher cylinder pressure requires higher voltage to spark. Weak coils fail here first. Step 10. Rule out other causes. Don't blame the coil if compression is low, injector is clogged, vacuum leak exists, or timing issue present. Do a compression test if misfire remains after swapping coils. Mechanical issues can mimic ignition failure. If you like the video so far, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. How a bad ignition coil damages your engine. This is where many people lose serious money. A misfiring cylinder dumps raw fuel into the exhaust. That fuel overheats the catalytic converter. Catalytic converters are expensive. Driving too long with a bad coil can turn a $50 to $150 repair into a $1,500 to $3,000 repair. If the check engine light is flashing, stop driving immediately. That means active misfire severe enough to damage the catalytic converter. Common coil failure patterns. Number 1. Single coil failure. Most common in coil-on-plug systems. 2. Multiple coil failure. Often due to worn plugs, poor grounding, voltage spikes, or oil contamination. 3. All cylinders misfiring. Rarely all coils fail at once. Look at crankshaft position sensor, camshaft sensor, fuel pressure, or ECM issues. When should you replace all coils? If one fails at 150,000 miles and the others are original, consider replacing all. But if one fails at 60,000 miles, replace just the bad one. No need to waste money. OEM versus aftermarket coils. Cheap coils often fail quickly. Always choose OEM or reputable brand. Low-quality coils can cause intermittent misfires that are difficult to diagnose. Step-by-step quick summary. Here's your simple diagnosis roadmap. 1. Scan for codes. 2. Identify misfiring cylinder. 3. Swap coils. 4. Clear codes. 5. Test drive. 6. Confirm code follows coil. 7. Inspect spark plug. 8. Check wiring if necessary. No guessing, no random parts replacement. Real-world example. Let's say you have a V6 engine. Symptoms: rough idle, P0305 code. You swap coil 5 with coil 2, clear codes, drive. Now you get P032. Diagnosis confirmed. Bad ignition coil. Total repair, $80. Without diagnosis, you might replace spark plugs, injectors, fuel pump. That's how money gets wasted. Join our community by subscribing to this channel. Final thoughts. Ignition coils are simple devices, but diagnosing them properly requires a methodical approach. Remember, don't replace parts blindly, use the swap test, inspect spark plugs, check for oil contamination, and act fast to protect your catalytic converter. Most misfire problems can be solved in under an hour with the right approach. And now you know exactly how to do it, step by step. If your engine is shaking right now, you don't need fear. You need diagnosis. And diagnosis beats guessing every single time.